What's up, YouTube? Back at home. Was in South Carolina. See, my house is over here now. I'm in Georgia, Gwinnett. You know what I'm saying? How did y'all like my video when I was in South Carolina? Y'all liked it? Please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much for viewing my videos too. You know what I'm saying? Over here at my house, I went to Advanced Auto Parts and got my battery charged. See, hold on. No battery right there. You know what I'm saying? The battery goes right there. Yeah, I gotta go back like in 30 minutes to get it. It's charging right now. I bought some stuff for the truck to wash, car wash stuff and cleaning stuff and all kinds of stuff. Well, not all kinds of stuff, but some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all. Excuse me. Hold on for a second. It's dark in here, so can't really see. Hold on, almost. See, I got that and that, some car wash stuff, and that, some good stuff, I guess. Yep, YouTube, I got that stuff. And I got this to wash, to go with washing, to rub with when you're washing. Yup. So when my brother gets out of the bed, we're gonna wash my truck and the car. Truck and car. Yeah. Thank you for viewing my videos. You know what I'm saying? Thank you very much. It's a beautiful day out here. Beautiful day. I'm about to wash the car and truck. Yeah. Smiley face hat, you know what I'm saying? Being happy. So what's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up with y'all? Thank you for subscribing. If you did subscribe, just if you haven't subscribed my videos, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you very much. All right, peace out. Peace out.